I love my husband. My husband loves me.
Wow.
No any saga can change our marriage.
No, go sit down.
Underline that please, marriage. I love my husband. My husband loves me. No any saga can change our love. I love my husband. My husband loves me. No any saga can change our love. I love my husband.
Why love I like.
Hello, my people. How na dey? Now, wow, social media. Social media, I get as e be area don scatter for everywhere. Papa twins don bring Mama Kevin family come out. Hey, go reach Papa Kevin. Iya wolo eladiane. This social media na so dey be o. If na to donate, just na to help person, you no go see anybody wey go donate o. When he talk about secrets, they be number one. Then they not dey carry last. Even though say you no ask them, they go bring am come. This issue wey dey grammar people, who go sell Torah, who go come sell Torah? This one I pay back as Papa twin tells. He say everybody go rest. He say no go rest. He say no. The one way dey for his side, so which everybody know. Person wey been say no know one and no know two, na can dey pay put. Na be the thing. Na washa social media na so e be. If you want to dey mingle with somebody, if you not look ground well, that person even those if the person don't fair for potopoto, you wey go dey mingle with her, they will use am take rob you. They not care. They not dey look face for social media. I go put the video more and watch. They don't bring Mama Kevin, he late papa, he late mama, his sister, everybody in Sile Yade. Hey, whoa, hey, which kind of wahala be this one? And nobody go fit settle this issue. They don't talk and say, me anybody not talk, put more na just dey watch. Say, sit down, look, na be dog. Because the person wey be say, Mama Kevin go marry, he don't fair do them. You see, now pay back. Now wow. You see all those people where they bring information come. Hey, I salute to now. I agree to now get that not too much. And you then they bring out come, they not the fail. Oh, what pass. Anyway, my people, make I put the video for na more and watch. It go soon finish also. Nothing lasts forever. It's just that when the payback, the person will be say, when they receive the payback, na innocent, but nothing we fit do, because you see all those people wey be say they first still do, they still be innocent. So na make nobody go talk. Everybody will just dey watch. As we will be say with the blog, so we go see the blog. Nothing we fit talk. Oh yeah, more na watch the video. Now bye bye for now.
Mama Kevin International.
Yeah,
I'm here once again to dedicate beautiful music for my lovely husband.
okay, both of you go and
Underline that please.
both of you go and almost what we are dedicated to one
husband.
say
Small time now, become musician. Yeah. Are you guys ready to listen to my second song? I love my husband. My husband loves me.
Wow.
No any saga can change our marriage.
No, go sit down.
Underline that please, marriage. I love my husband. My husband loves me. No any saga can change our love. I love my husband. My husband loves me. No any saga can change our love. I love my husband.
Why love I like you?
My husband loves me.
Correct.
No any saga can change my bride price. I underline that one again, bride price. Jesus. I love my husband. My husband loves me. No any saga can change my bride price. I love my husband. I said husband. My husband loves me. No any saga can change our marriage. Let me sing the other one. You are the one waiting for.
Ije me.
You are the one.
Ije.
You are the one.
Ije.
You are the one I was waiting for.
Okay.
You are the flesh of my flesh.
Agbaka.
You are the one I was waiting for. You were the one. You were the one. You were the one I was waiting for. You are the bone of my bone. You were the one I was waiting for. You were the one. You were the one. You were the one I was waiting for. You are the blood of my blood.
The blood of your blood.
Chai. You were the one I was waiting for.
Desperado.
You were the one.
30 years in a
You were the one. You were the one I was waiting for. You are the flesh of my flesh. God bless the day I met you, my husband. I love you. I respect you. I adore you. Hi. My love, my Lord. Don't listen to side talk. Our love is more important, my darling. I love you so much. My happiness, my joy, my yori. The one that make me young every day. Even though they call me the day. Oh, you're a day. You're a yori day. My love, how was your night? I know we slept together, but I will still ask, how was your night, my darling? I miss you already. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you, my darling. Have a lovely day. I'm waiting for you. Okay? Love you, babe.
Okay, you have to another way. There's an yam where you break, nice send itself go motor. My people, before we start, I want to ask. If I ask, what they do yes or no before saga, make saga start. Is this a wife or a desperate, frustrated Jando? Yeah, go spell on me. But what yes or no, yo? Franco Moswo. Franco Moswo. Vous voyez que vous go to Bunugwe. When I hear message, no give we message Bella. Mama Kevin had 2 big children, girls she gets.
2 big girls.
2 big children, girls she gets. Them not quick agree for the marriage too. He said the Juliet children, so they not quick agree for the marriage too. It was a very big problem. Mama Kevin, elder brother, and her 2 children not agree for the marriage. It was a big war. Believe me. Even Frank family not even agree before. Frank was having a big war with the family before they agree. He threatened the family before they agree. You know, Sabi was saying Franco Moswo sisters and brother money. So now, what did this get? Hey, he made better information there. Oh my God. Me formatting small boy. Franco Moswo the small boy. You threaten your family, say, if they not allow you, put money for this woman head. You not go send them 1 naira again, and you go saga Abiyuwa. And they don't want to make you saga Abiyuwa because Abiyuwa has been their, in fact, their helper.
Share, guys, love and like. Please.
Right now, now. You say you don't want Abiyuwa again.
No, they try for share. Love
and
and like.
Remember 2-3 weeks ago, when Franco Moswo come and say, make the tell Abiyuwa may remove her from me. And make go serve his sisters. Una remember when Abiyuwa, when Frank do video, because they say, what time Abiyuwa no be bo, not your boy on a kuri. Una remember? And that time the marriage still continued. The war was because Franco Moswo family be no one agree. Make Franco Moswo marry this Ashagwa who they call Juliet. Because why? They know say if he marry him, the picture come aside I bet you are going to start to send them money. That's why Frank Oswald family be no one agree. Right now, that's about now. Juliet Agbote family, no one be still agree. They said this woman get 2 lovely girls for house. And those 2 girls don't they born. The woman have 5 grandchildren to expect the 6th one. Yeah, with the second begin when this woman get for us, it will born anytime soon. So like 6 grandchildren.
Jesus.
The elder brother, where the UK of this Agbote, he no will support him. Say make him marry Frank Oswald. According to waiting the elder brother tell him say, wherever Facebook here, wherever social media, you want, because they use me to tell that this is your Juliet say, well, ni ado legbe boy na do ariye ozan. Yeah, a family now. Desperado de dena. I don't care. I don't care. Imaya. Hey, Frank Oswald. Frank Oswald. Oh, no man, 5 grandchildren to expect the 6th one soon. Now you they proud of. Say go do introduction on the 20th of January. They say now the now you want to be married. Oh, I'm not even willing to marry.
I'm gonna get a Latiani support. A fans of support.
One guitar.
I'm gonna get a
support You get like the way me and you been. I'm not everybody. People they say they want to bring bag of rice. They want to bring wine because they know that we are beautiful couples. Why you go there does it the day? Agbote family. It can wase can warare. Oman wanya yoku na. Tom duan we do cyberspace.
Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up.
Oro wi piane. Oro wi wone. Oro wi ru wala ne. Yes. I'm your one my fit pege. If you peg it every year, little if you peg it every year in a way, or our chief is on the red way. We have to baby.
Thumbs up, guys. Please, now try for share. Where? Thumbs up.
Agbote family.
Thumbs up, guys.
But I'm no man. Why I accepted bride price on the 9th of March? Yes, because when the picture work at Jesse, ni you wire the vagwa, when you wire whoever ya. My brother, I'm a the address today, but right now that person don't send me the full address. So, waga only marriage problem yarewa. Waga only marriage in the successful. Ime family agad motena. Runda a saga na for you, Frank Oswald, you are the highest church on social media. When you be church say, umaye mo wa wala dianti now. When you be church say, you see your life. After Abia, you will not bless your life. Finish. After Abia, you will not give you everything where you want. Now you can't say Abia, you work in your magby. If you ask me, Abia, you want muscle now. Yes. Agbodan atemata. Abia, you want is better than this. You are nowhere. This picture when in your Papa Kevin for stand so was taken 14 years ago. Let me today picture. Now even say for this she's young. And according to a reliable source, with 20 this person they write me now, say Mama Kevin will be 56 this year. I come as well. I don't know where we made no jealous Weber.
No expand IVF.
Frakomoswo.
No expand IVF.
Frakomoswo. Now this is what you say the jealousy for.
IVF.
Ume swear again. We act with blues.
IVF is a go.
Juliet you act with soprano. Why see one? Why add the guitar? A saga Lorena. Not be just small picky saga like that. It is a very spiritual saga. I am on a revenge. Me don't know what the rest do, but I am on a revenge. The Ghana man is still crying till today. The Ghana man live in Palermo, Italy. It go hard for us to locate Ghana man because we are not from Ghana. But those 2 girls where they are, their father live in a Idogbo community. The guy say if the man is even going to come out to talk, I should please not to post his picture. I promise you. I promise you, my informant. If that one where you felt all those two girls for, we not do go on. No problem. We know what to go on.
Who be this? Say respect the death, please. Eh?
Ah, no one need respect the death.
Joy. I be Joe.
Like what reply any block eh? Voila.
Voila.
Voila. What reply any block eh? Nobody respected the dead. Which dead? They died no he. When the life of my father. Say na you like my papa. Or say we are not fit forgive my mama sister forever. If my mom forgives her younger sister, I will come out and deny my mom forever. She ceased to be my mother.
Joy.
Reply block eh?
Don't say that to our fans. Please say not to
Joy.
in mama grave. Now Joy say respect the dead, please.
Joy.
You are our fans. Don't say this again, oh.
Hey, reply on my blog.
Don't leave on our fans. Don't say that again, oh. You blind. You will be our own. And they write this kind of thing. Don't say that again, oh.
So when they do it to my father, you believe say they see my papa picture, they no post.
This one say not to go video the grave. The video in mama grave. He say respect the death, please. Don't say that again, oh. I don't want to curse you.
My man that they beg for you.
Don't say that.
I don't want to insult you because Mominora and some people they beg for you.
Now our fans. Don't say that again.
If you are my fan, you are not supposed to say this. I'm sorry the way I talk to you.
Don't say that again.
But if you are my fans, you are not supposed to say this. Please. You see everybody they say now my fans. Sorry say I dey shout for you.
Don't say that, please.
I believe that is a slip of tongue.
Say no get no vessel.
No problem.
Don't say that.
No problem, Joy. I love you. You know I love you. I get your number.
Jack say thank you for the star.
You heard what I said. I said I am on the revenge. And now me, and now go be test 3. Just that I was looking for a sugusugu to muswazen. I don't mezen wani. Iga agwa le sugusugu ni amuswazen. Imie sugusugu muswazen. Umami mi dayi. Frakomozwo, because of Juliet in Agmofi, you threaten your family. That you are not going to send them one another again. And I be what send ya wado saga e se wo yan gbo e. Baboga lawe gbe. Iye Kevin, u lo na fe because when no see u lo na fe yeye. Agbon fio uzuwa. U bele le bo na yaro wi ya Facebook na mo yo. U bele we no ya una mo yo. Ma we night of March ni. Amanya ya I got you done. Night of March, I always survey area to really find out if yes, we are going to do survey. Me I will address la down. Why we go there? When I people say, and then me no time we get date now way in marriage you what? Where I people say we are river.
Yeah. Look, what Laura did. Laura, why do you do this?
Don't stop this video and share. Igbo kwenu. They want give me Papa Kevin number. Only me here. The Igbo say I post the brother. Now I tell her the reason. Say I'm sorry. Make a number. Don Prince, you have done well. God will bless you. Allow. But the saga na anyo. Where they call you? Where they call? Because man we a wicked wagmo. Who can make one man ropa? O man at your wickedness. You know if you saga my papa we don't die. May I leave your mama at the grace? Fakomozwo. Oh na. Oh me here cover you because where in your mamu da wene. This should serve as a lesson to the people who they do bad for those cyberspace. That whatsoever thing you do, you will definitely repeat and karma. No, they look for a person. Karma know your address. Ovigbona. They say nothing will not do for Mama Kevin. Nothing. Now they would do spacer. Now they go. Let's check the thing again. I go. SL Longa. I'm not SL Longa Vitaly. Yes, Franco Moswo. You think you are smart? Ovigbona ga yes Longa. Oh, you are telling me. Oh, you are the African store. Oh, you are telling me. At the end of the day, what happened? Una yevi problem look now. Papa Kevin was not reducing every day. Ere Kevin might make be sameyi. Yeri rewe waiting he go do. 90 Tetana go one message me. In one go ask. Hello.
Hello, investor. I'm when you speak away.
Okay, go on. Toss out this video, guys. Enter. Okay, the marriage is tomorrow. Oh. For this address. Okay. Awa, yeah, we have to invest well. All right. Honey, you are going the marriage.
Okay, I'm going the marriage.
Okay. Yeah, so gege. Yeah, so bad, yeah, so Okosmo. Epi chera la jane, epi chera la jane, epi chera la jane oh. Epi chera la jane oh. 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 Epi chera la jane oh jeme oh. Oh, yeah. Good. Nive mori ye ni mori rayo. On a diagnoté ni mae. Anako e marriage we shoga ko kagba yimi e. E fla come so go. On ni mori rayo ne. Mori rayo ne. That's something oh at the game. Say, my informer this evening here. Now 4 people they give me that confirm. Yeah, we have video here so good. No sumo right now. Hello. Hey, wa mama gbon, go ha. Imo ine, my darling.
Oh, for check. Someone to check on pepper fruit.
Where? The information here I confirm. Where's the gbene? Kakabo where's the gbene? Where's the gbene? Ento wi egbegbe. Naka ele paka we na la mo ti ona adine. Where's the gbene? Where the last? Where's the gbene wa ma wa gbon. Okay. Hey, only. I said they want to send me the backyard.
Man, you never see anything. Look me our wall on there.
How far, Frank Oswald?
What did they saw?
You see, I said that thing when you do that way they sweet you. Iye nogi. Okay nogi. Iye, ikenogwa. How far? Should be they sweet you that time. As the rest I got here. Eh we. How far? Eh we. Ma.
Please, guys, love and like Wahala.
What does up? As far as to please don't drag your fan. You drag Uwa.
Give us 1,000 thumbs up.
Man, yeah, drag Uwa. I'm on a revenge.
1,000 thumbs up.
Yes.
Please, guys, please.
Frank Oswald. Why again now? Don't know that it was this now. Now me they do you now. Now my own point I pass you. You don't know my papa for picture. You don't know my mama know papa for picture.
You don't know my mama name.
You don't know his name. Now only my mama and my mother-in-law now you drag. Now I can't the people I don't drag. Your papa picture. Agmontin, his wife. Okay? They want to when Agmontin. A life is not here now. Whatsoever you do. The families of Agmontin, I know you people are here. Wamana gabe to let it not care about. Wamae de we go yo. About day you were one or ye. When you want or ye. Why college and we go your ear Kevin. We manado compose of it back when you so won't have. So let's listen to what it be Papa name again. Pa Igbinovia James Agmontin. Confirm. If I not yalla we will marriage back. We don't want to married. Yes, there you could worry. Me post on it. Frank Oswald, this letter you no sleep. Who yeah. Oh, we no one have here, my guy. Who yeah? Ah, yes, there. Oh, mama clay. Okay. Thumbs up! Oh my goodness. Man, and now we're me. Wana gogo. Iyeme. Wana gogo. A family agote. Wama mi ma ijo mona. Are mi go work be 30 years in a webo. Wama mi ma gbon. Wa ri omu ovi wana. Wala no mo tia for ya da. Wa agwa le kia. I will send it for you.
Juliet ni gbagba ni ki ri ne ga la jansun. Awe ki gbagba ni. Like what you sow, you reap.
And the bros.
What you sow, you reap.
No.
You reap what you sow.
You life.
What you sow. One when the Frankie egg bacon.
Imure o. Allah one no red dog mama o ye. Imure o.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up.
A family agmonte. Mewa mure o.
Imure o. Please o. I should go do Wahala.
Agmonte ya mo very sugu.
Because I also Juliet.
Imure o.
I said Juliet all day. Maybe na he go the beer Sandra.
Juliet.
The name.
Agmonte.
Erewa.
Ni we marry flirt we nira.
Sandra, oh, you're a Sandra. Ah, you're a Sandra.
You're a smart baby.
You're a Sandra. You're a Sandra. You're a Sandra.
Yeah. I want to be yes, no. I beg, before this saga go continue from here, I need somebody to come and sing for me.
Sandra.
A good singer. When I have go ask one, wait me. You know, you try to know her native name. If you're married, from Juliet to Sandra, we don't know as much more now. Zegbe very last. Papa Kevin. Now this place, now this kind person, now you are Lara. May born for you, may born Kevin for you. Ah, Papa Kevin. Anyway, I don't blame you because Igbo men they love well.
When you had the face, I tell you apropos. Maybe they say that this time they told me to know no game, me for not green. Now this time they know no game for not green.
I need somebody to come and sing for me.
If now this time they know no game for not green for them.
Man, now social media president, we don't marry it us. Now be anymore. We're not doing a good time. So for your men, you believe say after all those nonsense, after all those atrocities that you have done, now she be acting unnecessary, okay? I'm out of there. Oh, we are going walk here. Ah? Yeah, you said already. Yeah, I said it.
For that hour,
I charge. Oh, God. Hello, my darling. Oh, yeah, swimming. What